Alright, let's see. Taking this off. I'm going to be disconnecting the battery. Put it right there. I believe that's a 13. If it's not, try 12. Most likely it's actually a 12, but it's too small to be stripped by an oversized socket. Can you keep the washer? That's disconnected. You see the tensioner right there. The only messed up thing about this stupid alternator is that I have to take out the freaking whole tensioner assembly. Let's try 17. Wrong direction. Well, it's kind of hard with all these fucking lines in your way. Okay. Alright, just keep it like that for a little bit. This is a 14, it's like a 14. Okay, so there's the tensioner right there, and it's going to be an 8mm. This one, and we're going to put it in the hole. I'll show you once I put it. So use this low profile ratchet to take the shit out. Here we go. Oh my god, I smacked the shit out of my elbow. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna take that bolt out because it's actually kind of annoying. Okay. Use the ratchet to take it out. This is the bolt that holds the tensioner. I'm gonna keep the 8mm on it. Okay, tensioner is also held by a 10mm down there from what I know. So that 10mm fell, but I'll get another one, it's fine. Take take this one out. The reason why I'm taking this, I don't want it to cut my hand, cut the skin on my hand while I put my hand down there. So I'm gonna put this with its respective bolts. Yep, it is a 12. Only problem is it's freaking hot. Okay, this is how I have it down here. You guys see that? Not the best lighting, but that's how I have it. Right now we have enough room to take this stupid crappy tensioner out of its place. Just put it down there. And there should be a bolt that holds the alternator. Okay, so there's I think a 14 that's holding the alternator. I'm gonna see if I can use a low profile 14 for this one. Yep, sure works. Okay, the small extension. See how it looks down here, since GoPro's not the best for lighting. Sounds like something fell, but I know nothing did. Probably just the socket that smacked the pulley. Okay, here's the bolt out. Put it with its friends. And now comes the part where you pry the old alternator out of its stupid ass place. It's fucking hot. I don't like it. Alright, here we go. This is the alternator. So, to be clear, as far as the AC compressor, it was plugged in right here, just like so. Let me show you. And all I did was get a pick tool. Let me just center this. Get a pick tool. Not this one, the flat. And got it from here. Held it from there and did that. And this 12mm was right here. It was right there. The 14mm that was holding the alternator's lower bolt was this one. The top one, as you saw, was right here. Just in case you guys didn't get any of the steps that I showed. Let me go get the new alternator. I'm gonna install it. All right, went ahead and got the brand new alternator. Let's get straight to it. So what you first want to do before you install the alternator is install this stupid shield that goes on in only one specific way. that. Alright.
I mean, yeah, you can put it after you install it. I did that once. Kind of made it a little bit harder, so learn my lesson. 10 millimeter.
Okay. Alright, so tall bolt is always the bolt that goes first. Just take all of this mess out of here. Come on. Should be more than enough space to put it, because the little insert right here is pushed all the way back, allegedly. I don't know about in your case, but that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, what the hell? Okay, come on, go in the threads. Okay, now it's going inside the threads. Alright, I'm gonna get 14 millimeter. It's good enough. Notice it's still wobbly a little bit. Put this right here. Alright, so we're gonna get 14 millimeter that goes on the bottom. Unfortunately, I might have to put it from here. You guys won't be able to see, but you already know where it goes, so don't need to show you. Okay. Okay, that is tight. Now we're gonna tighten the top one. You always tighten the lower one first, then you tighten the top one. And the reason why is, trust me, bro, it's the only reason. Just be careful not to break any of these lines. It's making that noise because the insert is coming out and starting to make contact with the block. Okay, that's good. Use the low profile. Good enough. Now we're gonna get the stupid tensioner. I'd rather put it after. Cool. Goes in like this. Okay, so this 8 millimeter goes in first, actually. Okay, we're starting to tighten. So don't tighten it all the way. Get your 12 millimeter that I showed you where to put it. Okay, 12 millimeter bolt is in place. I'm gonna get 12 millimeter socket right here. I'm gonna go down and tighten it. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, I got a channel.
Show me your channel.
I bet. Oh, yeah, that's tight. Oof. That was hard.
Leave it.
Hmm? Okay, looks like we're good to go. Bottom one is tight. Use something like this to tighten the bottom. I'll make sure to link it in the description below. Otherwise it's gonna be a bit tough to do it. So apparently this thing went in place before I even do it. Okay, putting the alternator, I'm sorry, the AC compressor plug back in. Okay. Alright. So you put all of the pulleys on and the alternator, and the last one you put is this, and that's it. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this. Okay, start the car. It'll correct itself once. There we go. No more ticking. Everything is good. Just gonna put this stupid thing on right here. Supposed to go in here, but who cares? This is doing. Yep. Thank you for watching. See you later.